Hello everybody, how are you? I am Noresh and your teacher here and will be teaching you a different question and their answer. So I welcome you on classtheta.com where we'll be discussing questions. So let's get on the questions. So our today question is, what is every official operator required to do pass both the returns and operating test by new pfds before each outings? Check the wind speed and the water current. Take all necessary action to avoid a collisions. The correct answer of the question is switch the engines off. So that the answer of the question. If you are searching any other question, please visit www.classtheta.com and find on the search section. If you have any question to ask there and ask sessions on the right side of the website, fill the form and will be answering you as soon as I can. Thank you for watching this video. Please do not forget to like, share, subscribe our channel until next question. Bye bye.